Hello YouTubers and YouTubettes, welcome to another XLuckNoSkillX tutorials. Today we're learning how to make a set of armor using MCP with modloader. Firstly, you must have already set up MCP, and if you haven't, go watch the tutorial here, and if you have, follow along. Next, we're going to open up a text editor of your choice. I'm using EditRocket, which is a free program. And we're going to make a new file and save it as mod with the lowercase m underscore and then what you want to call your mod. I'm going to call mine dirtarmor.java, and as always we're going to save it in MCP src minecraft net minecraft src. Okay, after that we are going to look in the description, and there will be a link to a file called modloader syntax. It will look just like this. We're going to copy everything inside of it and paste it into our mod_dirtarmor class. Next, we're going to replace these asterisks or stars with what this file is called, excluding the .java. Next, we're going to go to the beginning of line 6 and hit enter twice, and then go back up twice and type public static final item and then helmet equals opening bracket new item armor opening bracket again, and then its data value. I'm gonna put 1000. Let's put 3000, and then the second number is how strong it is. The second number is the render index, and we're just gonna put 5, and I'll explain why we do this in a couple of minutes. And the last number is what type of armor it is. 0 is helmet, 1 is a chest plate, 2 is legs, and 3 are boots. And then we're going to close them off with 2 closing brackets, and we're going to type .set item name, opening closing bracket, and we're going to give it a name, dirt helmet. And we're going to end it off with a semicolon. Now we're going to do this 3 more times for each bit of armor. Wow, shut up, Johan. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, and one more. Okay, now we're going to type body for this one. This can be anything, but I just like doing it this way. And the last one is boots. And we're going to change the data value, as well as the type of armor. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to change the names, and then we will move on. Legs and boots. Okay, next we're going to go into the constructor, which is on line 13, and we're going to type modloader dot add armor, opening closing bracket and 2 quotation marks, and a semicolon at the end, and in there is what the armor is called. I'm going to call mine just John for now, and this also corresponds to your textures. So after that, we're going to hit enter twice again, and we're going to give them names by typing modloader, capital M and L, add name, opening closing bracket, 2 more helmet, which is the thing we want to add the name to, comma space, and then the quotation marks, and then this is what it's going to be called, dirt helmet, semicolon at the end, and we have to do this 3 more times. For body, for legs and boots, body, boots. Okay, now we're going to give them textures. So we type helmet.iconIndex, because it's an item, equals modloader dot add override with the lowercase a, open closing bracket, 2 quotation marks, and then we're going to override the textures in GUI items.png, comma space, and then we give our directory for ours. Mine is in a folder called armor, and it's called helmet.png, semicolon at the end, and we do this 3 more times for each of them. Okay, now we are going to finally give them the recipe. Add recipe. And you should know this by now, but if you don't, go watch the tutorial here, because I'm just briefly going to explain it now. So we type modloader.add recipe, new item stack, opening bracket, then one of their names, comma space how many we want, then comma space new object, square, opening brace, and then we go down, close bracket, semicolon, go back up, and then we write our recipe. Blah. Okay, let's do 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. Okay, character dot value of hash is going to be block dot dirt, and we are going to do this 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. Body. Oops. And body needs like that. Like this. Now, why we put a 5 here is because this is kind of the data value of our armor. And when we say modloader.add armor, it's going to make a new armor type. And if we go to render player right here and scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see cloth, chain, iron, diamond, and gold. Cloth is 0, chain is 1, iron is 2, diamond is 3, and gold is 4. And it makes sense that ours is 5. Now we can just write, we could just write comma space and then our thing, but our armor's name, but that would be editing a file not made originally, and that would be bad. This is something you have to do. You have to go into the file jars, go into bin, and then you're going to have to unarchive your Minecraft.jar. And it's going to make a folder called Minecraft. You're going to delete the jar, the original jar, and name the folder Minecraft.jar. Okay, and then we're going to go to armor, wherever that is. Okay, here it is. And as you can see, I've already put my textures in here. So armor John 1, and you know how I said the name of the armor corresponds to your textures? Well, this is why. Now I remember that I put a capital J and a lowercase OHN, and then you basically just do what the other textures does. Have a _1 and an _2. _1 mainly deals with the hat, the body, and the shoes. And the number 2 does the legs and more of the boots. Yeah. And lastly, we're going to go to bin and Minecraft, and we're going to put our armor folder, because I put them in a armor folder, and I messed up on one of my textures. Okay. Let's open up Editor Rocket again. Sorry, guys. Change this from body to chest plate. Okay, now it should work. Let's close this. I'm gonna open up terminal and type cd space, drag in our MCP folder, hit enter and type bash recompile pile.sh, hit enter. No errors, cool. Type bash start client.sh, hit enter. It overrides the textures and it loads Minecraft. Let's go single player, delete that, make a new world, and make the screen bigger. And we spawned on a tree. Interesting. Let's get that out of the way. Collect some wood and some dirt. I think 20 should be enough. Make a full set of armor. anyway, so let's convert that into planks, make a crafting table, place that down, and now we will make our dirt armor. There's our dirt helmet. I thought I spelled dirt wrong. That would have failed, that would be. Dirt body, and pants, dirt legs, and lastly, dirt boots. Now we can put this on ourselves. Dirt helmet goes on the head, body, legs, and shoes. Now, as you can see, there is something wrong with the textures, and I think it's just because I suck at painting, or I'm using the wrong paint editor, picture editor. I forgot. Anyway, so hopefully you guys won't have the same problem, but I'll look into it. And I hope you like this tutorial. Please rate, comment, and subscribe if you liked it. And happy modding!